Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got all of these items for free, plus made almost $5 buying them. So I'm going to tell you exactly how I did that here in just a second. Before I get to that, I would like to ask that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. A big thank you to my subscribers. I am coming up on the 1,000 subscriber mark and I'm super excited. As promised, I will be doing a gift card giveaway when I hit that milestone. So like, subscribe, share the channel with your friends, and help me get to that milestone. All right, so when I did my shopping this week at Walmart, I used a few different cashback apps. I used Swagbucks, I used Shopkick, and I used Ibotta. So I'm going to talk to you in more detail about those as I go through the deals. But if you do not have those apps yet, you can find my referral links in the video description below. When you use those links, you will get extra perks back for using the referral. Now, I have also included those links in the Google document that you can also find in the video description. That Google document has a printed list of all of these deals. You can print it out and take it to the store with you if you want to do so. All right, so let's dive into the deals. The first one I want to talk to you about are these Cocktail Artist 1 liter mixers. So I've mentioned this in a previous video, but I want to mention again, just in case you missed it. These are priced at $3.98. I grabbed two of them. I grabbed the pina colada and the sweet and sour mix. So again, $3.98. Ibotta has an offer for $2 back, and mine was a limit of 5. So double check your Ibotta app and see if you have that offer. You can also submit to the CoinOut app and get $2 back on each of them. Again, a limit of 5, making them free plus a 4-cent moneymaker. Also, check Shopkick. So when I am in certain areas of town, I have a Shopkick offer on this product, but in other areas of town, I don't. So it's definitely something that's based on location, but check Shopkick, see if you have an offer for this product as well. Mine was just 100 kicks, but still it's worth submitting your receipt and getting that extra cash back. Another one, and again, I've mentioned this before, are on the holiday cards. So these holiday cards were priced at 47 cents, and they did in fact qualify for the Ibotta offer that was giving back $3 when you buy 2 holiday cards, making this a $2.06 moneymaker. So I noticed today that my Hallmark holiday card rebate reset, but this time it was for $2 and not $3, so I could pick up 2 more cards at that 47-cent mark and still make it a moneymaker. So I also grabbed these Nestle Pure Life waters. They are priced at $4.98. Ibotta is giving back $1.75. Shopkick was giving back 800 kicks, which is equivalent to $3.20, making this 4-pack of waters just 3 cents total. Now, another awesome moneymaker this week is on the Marshmallows. So these Marshmallows, the 10-ounce package is priced at $1.08. Ibotta is giving back 25 cents, and the coupons.com app is giving back $2, making this a $1.17 moneymaker when you buy Marshmallows. So that was a great offer from coupons.com app. So make sure you snag that before it is gone. All right, another freebie on Ibotta is the Mountain Dew, and this is the Frostbite. I found this near the self-checkout registers. So they were in the little coolers that were right there near the checkout. They're priced at $1.88, and you'll get $1.88 back from Ibotta. Another great deal was on these Easy Reach Bic lighters. So they're priced at $2.97. There is a $1 coupon in the November 8th Smart Source, and Shopkick is giving back 500 kicks, equivalent to $2, making these free plus a 3-cent moneymaker. So one of the cool things about Shopkick is that often the offers will reset. So I was able to do this deal twice and get 2 completely free lighters. Another freebie deal on Ibotta was this Flow Alkaline Spring Water. It is the 1 liter. It's priced at $1.68. Ibotta is giving $1.68 back. One thing that I forgot to grab, I didn't write it on my list, so I forgot to grab it when I was at the store, is the tea. There's a Pure Life tea offer that came out this morning, so you can grab that at Walmart for free after you submit your receipt to Ibotta. All right, a couple more from Shopkick. I mentioned these in a previous video as well, but the deal is still good. These are also found up by the register. It's the Mentos Clean Breath and the Mentos Pure Fresh Gum. These are priced at $3.12, and my Shopkick offer is for 850 kicks back, which is $3.40, making each of these a 28-cent moneymaker. And we play a game at the holidays where we wrap different prizes or gifts up all in saran wrap, and then we pass the ball around as people are unwrapping it. Whatever falls out when they're unwrapping it, they get to keep. So things like these are fun to add into a game. It's also great to throw into a stocking or add as part of a gift for someone. All right, another deal that's still going on are these Thomas mini croissants. These are priced at $3.48. There is an Ibotta offer for 50 cents back on these, and there is a Shopkick offer for 530 kicks back, which is equivalent to $2.12, making this bag just 86 cents. So it goes from $3.48 down to 86 cents. And so that's a great deal on these croissants. All right, another Shopkick deal was on the Dove cream oil. So this was the 13.5 fluid ounce Dove cream oil. This is priced at $5.97. And there's a Shopkick deal where you buy the Dove and the Suave lotion, and you'll get 1,025 kicks back, which is equivalent to $4.20. So this was priced at $5.97. This is priced at $1.83. This is the Suave lotion. So total for these two products is $7.80. Like I said, Shopkick is giving back 1,025 kicks, which is $4.20. There is a coupons.com app offer for $1 off of the Suave, $2 off of the Dove, making both items 60 cents or just 30 cents each. So a great deal again. Another Shopkick offer on the Frosted Flakes. So these little cups that are found in the breakfast aisle, these are priced at $1. Shopkick is giving 300 kicks back on this, which is equivalent to $1.20, making this a 20-cent moneymaker. Another freebie is this Annie's frozen mac and cheese. So of course, this is found in the frozen section. These are priced at $2.94. Ibotta is giving back $1.50. Shopkick was giving 475 kicks, so that's equivalent to $1.94, making this free plus a 46-cent moneymaker. Another freebie from Ibotta, the Pepsi Zero is priced at $1.25. Ibotta is giving $1.25 back. They also have an offer for the Mountain Dew Zero. My store didn't carry that, but again, it's $1.25. You would get $1.25 back, making that free as well. The Arm & Hammer deodorants. So these Ultramax Active Sports, these are priced at $1.88, but Swagbucks has a fantastic offer for $5 back when you buy 2. So doing the math real quick, $1.88 times 2 is just $3.60, and Swagbucks is giving you $5 back. So you will make $1.40 buying these 2 deodorants. Now, a tip with Swagbucks. That is the only app where when I submit a receipt, it is very finicky. So when I do a Swagbucks deal, I typically purchase only Swagbucks items on one receipt. So when I checked out, I scanned the 2 deodorants. I did it at self-checkout. And then I paid just for that on its own. And so when I scanned the receipt, it was the only thing on there. So it made it pretty easy for Swagbucks to say, you bought the right product, we're awarding you the 500 Swagbucks back, which is equivalent to $5. So that's just a tip. When you're doing Swagbucks deals, I would suggest you just purchase those items on the receipt and not with the rest of your groceries that you're buying for the day. All right, another great deal is on the Persil laundry. These discs are priced at $4.94. There is a $2 coupon in the November 15th Retail Me Not, and there is a $2 offer back on the Checkout 51 app, making those just 94 cents. And thanks to couponing, I have realized that Persil is actually my favorite laundry detergent. So for 94 cents, I went ahead and bought some. All right, the last deal was on these Stay Free pads. So these pads, the 22 count, they're priced at $2.86. There is a coupon on their website, so stayfree.com, for $2 off any 2 Stay Free products. So I bought 2 of these, so $2.86 times 2, that's $5.76. I used the $2 off 2 coupon, and then Ibotta gave me back $1.50 for each of these, so $3 back, making my total 86 cents or just 43 cents each. And again, when I add all of those up, when I combine the deals, everything ended up being free, plus almost a $5 moneymaker. So Walmart is on fire this week. If you can get by there, definitely stop by and try to snag some of these deals. I hope that this information has been helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments, and I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thanks, guys.